Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Yamaha Majesty 400 motor scooter, electric start, automatic transmission, liquid cooled 2-up scooter, 400cc, brand new rear tire. She's seen a couple bumps and bruises, but we got her priced right at just $29.99. Got a little bit of a mark on the seat, but if that doesn't bother you, you get yourself a really nice scooter. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.